do you start this thing to, like to go? There we go. All right. So we got a 10-minute timer. Okay. Hopefully this deal's picking me up. I think it is. It's not really aimed towards my face very well. Should have done this before. Of course I didn't. All right, let's see if that works. All right. So, okay, we're looking at Blender. Let me get in the screen here. All right, cool beans. So the purpose of this is to try to, I don't want to say try. My goal or aim in this little endeavor is to get you to be able to set up the most basic of rigs. Let's see what we have here. Okay, if I go into pose mode, I have two abilities basically. I can select this lower bone, move the mesh. I can select this upper bone, and it's being fidgety with me. We'll just do it here and rotate the mesh open, right? And then we'll go back to pose mode or object mode. Okay, so here are things to consider. When I open up the mesh, I say open up the mesh. It's a wallet. It's supposed to be. When I open up the wallet, one side doesn't move and one side does move. Basically, all of the rotation that I expect is only occurring on one part of the mesh. So I want to teach you how to achieve that effect. And then also, let's go back in real quick. When I select this other bone at the bottom, it's kind of intuitive the way that I have it set up that it'll be a move bone most likely. So we go ahead and move it, and it does just that. Okay, so we're just gonna grab it all and reset it. So that's the aim. That's the thing that I want to try to, that's the knowledge that I want to try to impart to you. How to restrict movement on a particular part of your mesh. Okay, and how to build a very, very basic rig. That's what I want to try to impart to you. So that's the plan. Let's make it happen.